I feel like you should be. Shut up! Look at this difference right here. I feel like we should switch because I feel like these are questions that might be more relevant. Joey, we're switching.
Well, I just got my camera. Obviously, I don't know what the features are. If you can explain this dial here for me. What do all these buttons mean?
So, these dials, some of them you need, some of them you don't. ADEP, I have no idea. Manual. I'm primarily on manual. I use it to practice my photography and also experiment. Manual allows you to set your shutter speed, which is basically if you're thinking of blinking and you keep your eye open, you retain more information, right? Compared to like blinking all the time. So longer shutter speeds is holding the eye open. That's how you get blurry pictures. And if you blink, you get like pictures, right? That's faster shutter speed. You know, like it's like 1 out of 4,000.
So like when someone jumps.
Yeah, you would want to take it at a shorter shutter speed.
Got it.
So manual is really good. It also does ISO, which is a digital way to lighten up a picture. The higher the ISO, the lighter the picture, but also the more fuzzy it is. You're gonna notice like black spots aren't entirely black, it's like radio static.
Got it.
That's what ISO does. And then f-stop or aperture is how big your eye is gonna be open, I guess.
Okay.
You'll notice like if you open your eyes wide open, it kind of gets blurry, right? And then when you squint, everything becomes in focus, kind of, or what you're focusing on. Same thing in here. It's gonna represent itself on F and then a number.
Okay.
The smaller the number, you know those like portrait mode iPhone stuff?
Yes.
It's gonna mimic that, where whatever's in focus is gonna be in focus, everything behind it is gonna be blurry.
Oh, I love portraits.
Yeah, so it's great for portraits. However, if you're taking like landscape photography or like a whole audience, you would want a higher aperture. Although darker, everything will be in focus. And you know, in terms of portraits though, I usually shoot at 8, so then you have most of their facial features and then like everything else is blurry.
Got it.
So yeah, manual is where I stay. I'd stay there too. Everything else is pretty much Google-fied. Everything's like an auto setting of a custom way to shoot. Like you have a sports mode here. So that's definitely going to prioritize higher shutter speed, or yeah, faster shutter speed. Anything else?
I think that's it.
Cool.
Okay. Anything else that I should like know before?
Experiment, because ultimately that's how you'll find your images. I've seen you shoot on Facebook. He's like a perfect example of just getting a camera and just doing it, because like I see your stuff on Facebook and that you just keep shooting and just uploading it, and then it's getting progressively better. I don't know if you're noticing it. I definitely notice it. But yeah, experiment, definitely. But yeah, you're getting good. I'm glad you're getting into this. High five.
I just need a better lens. Once I get my lens, I'm about to be the most professional. Okay, thank you.
Of course, thank you.